Hey, you're here with a quick look at Black Diamond's Storm R headlamp. When I bought this, I was looking to replace a more basic headlamp that I had with something that had a few specific features I was looking for. And Black Diamond has really thought out a perfect product here in terms of what they've included and how they've done it. It is the R version, it's the rechargeable one, so you have a USB port here that you use to recharge the internal battery. I believe they also make a battery-powered one if you prefer to swap batteries out of it. But, you know, those are the trick from a headlamp. It's got a nice pivot here so you can angle it straight forward, straight down. The strap is comfortable. This fits on my rock climbing helmet, no problem. And you've got two buttons on top that you use to manipulate all of the features. So you'll also notice if you look close here, you've got three different lights that each do something a little bit different. So if we press it once, the main light lights up, and this is the on and off switch. If we hit the other button, we can actually flip it over to the secondary light. So it's very similar to this light. It just kind of dulls up your power when you want it. I'll show you that in a second. And then you've also got a color-changing LED in here. So if we go back to the main light and we want to adjust brightness, we hold down the first button, and you'll see we're going to dim. And then we're going to go back to bright. And then in max power, we kick on that other light. And now we're at full tilt, full brightness, and then back down. So then we can switch over to the color-changing LED. So you've got red to start with, and same thing, you can adjust the brightness of it by holding down the power button. But then if you want to switch colors, you hold the other one down, and you can go from red to green to blue. So you've got some different options with that. Now we'll turn this off. One of my main complaints with my old headlamp is that I threw it in my pack and it would turn on at some point in there, and then every time I went to use it, it was dead. They've included a lock on this. You can actually see the little lock diagram there. So by holding both of these buttons down at the same time, you've locked it out now. So if I try to turn this on while it's locked, it's going to warn me, hey, you're locked, but it's not going to turn this on and drain the battery, which is awesome. To unlock it, hold both of them again, and you're good to go. You also get a battery indicator underneath here, so because it's rechargeable, it'll let you know about how much juice you've got left in system. And yeah, I think that's about it for this headlamp. It's a really awesome headlamp. It's great for rock climbing. It's great for camping. Anytime that I need just a reliable quality headlamp and one that I know is going to be charged whenever I go back to get it, this has certainly served that purpose. I really love this headlamp. I can highly recommend it, and it's a product that I give Black Diamond 5 stars on.